Hi everyone, welcome to another journal video with me, with Mari. Today is gonna be a really quick and pretty easy page. I'm gonna use this altered book. This is an old book that I got when I was in Antwerp, in Belgium, and now I'm just covering page by page with some collage and mixed media project, and I have a playlist down in my channel. So if you want to see even more, you can find there under mini journal. I have this small flower with some books. This is a cutout that I had from my stage that I found on a magazine. So it was a commercial actually on a magazine with a perfume, if I remember well. But anyway, I liked the focal point, so I decided to cut it out. And I wasn't sure when to use because it was a pretty big page. I mean picture. So in this case, I decided, okay, let's cut it out. I mean, why I need to use all together? It was nice to have the bottle and the flower on top of the books, but I can put aside, and that's what I did basically, and it fit perfectly on this page. Consider this is a small book. Now for the other side, I wanted to use some scraps with the blue pages from magazine. Again, those are from commercial. I was just looking for some blue toned page. So those are or dress or some background or some sky, those kind of things. There is also a small face, I think, on the other side, but I just didn't put the part of the face, but just of the dress. But the important was it was blue or brownish look. And so I'm just putting together 3 pages and just cut it out a shape of one wing of the butterfly. I was satisfied with the size, so then I'm just drawing on the page as well lightly a sketch, so I have a base to use to work on it. But it's gonna be just a sketch there. I'm not gonna use that one. I just need to understand where to position the collage part. So now what I'm doing, basically, I'm gonna cut these 3 pages in stripes, and then I'm decided which one of the 3 colors of the 3 pages shades I'm gonna use to combine the butterfly on that side of the page. That's basically it, and I thought doing it this way was kind of easier and faster, so cut it out the 3 pages at the same time and then having on the desk and choose which stripes I'm gonna use and glue it that. So I thought it was working well in that way, and that's what I'm doing here. Okay, at this point everything is glued down, and I'm gonna use some sketchy line using my Stabilo all-in black pencil. Give me a like if you like so far. To be honest, I had some struggle on this page because I did this simple way. Then I had in mind to add some yellow and bluish, but then I didn't like and put gesso back on it, so you will not see that version. I really didn't like it. But consider that if you make a mistake and something you don't like, gesso is your best friend. So just gesso what you don't like and you start over basically. And that's what I did. So after doing some sketchy line with the Stabilo all, I'm just gonna activate as always with some water, and so this is gonna give some shadow to the page and some sketchy line that is gonna have bold black color all around. That's what I like of this one, because it's gonna melt completely the black, giving some black line and then the shadow going into the gray, and I really like so much. And then after doing that, I'm gonna add the quote. So the quote in this case is not really a quote, so I'm just gonna add 3 simple piece of paper with some words on it. So I'm gonna add the words grow, then the words evolve, and the words transform. In this this case, I'm not gonna show how I draw in the words, but I'm just it's just a fake calligraphy style. So I'm just gonna draw it first with a small tip marker, and then going with the bold marker to adding some deep side on the letters. I'm just gluing there on the page in 3 different places, and I'm fine with the page. But I didn't like so much the background as it is, since I had adding this the gesso later on, and I was not satisfied with the background itself, so I decided to add some stamping, and I was using what I had in my stash with some script on it, and not with a perfect impression as always, but here and there. And that's basically is my page. I like in the end, it's not perfect, but it's really quick, simple to do it, and satisfy as always. As always, here some close-up picture, and see you soon for next time. Bye bye!